Hi, students, and welcome to week 11 in your online lifespan growth and development class. For a second there, I forgot what class I was filming for. This week, we are moving into adulthood. So, coming right out of looking at all the topics related to adolescence and now into early adulthood. So, let's take a look at this week's module. You have the PowerPoint for this chapter. You do have your fourth and final journal. So you've been doing a great job. I think you know what to do. Just make sure you're answering all parts of the question in that journal. But the directions are the same as you've done on the first three, and this is the last one. You have a connect assignment over Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and then your chapter 11 quiz. We're moving right along through the semester. I hope you are doing well, and let me know if there's anything I can help you with. Take care, everybody.